This is a look at the new Star Parts catalog here on the Star Industries website. There are a couple of places that you can find your replacement parts here on the Star website. The first place is right up here in the navigation bar where it says Parts. If you open that tab, it's going to take you to our new parts catalog view, which has part numbers, descriptions, and handy parts diagrams that you can click on to visually ensure that you are ordering the right item. You have a search bar here at the top where you can enter any part number to directly search for it. And you can see that this view will update with just the part that you're looking for. If you would prefer to search by category of attachment, you can click on, for example, crane parts or forklift parts, and then look to see your part that you're searching for directly here in the search results. To select the parts that you would like to purchase, you can click the checkbox. This is going to bring a little folder out here for you that has the parts that you selected in it. You can always close that out and continue to select parts to choose as many as you would like. Once you are finished selecting the parts that you would like to request a quote for, click the Request a Quote button and fill out the quick quote request form that pops up on the next screen. Please do let us know your first name, last name, company, email, zip code, and give us a short message such as how many of the item you would like to purchase. If you would like to search for your part based on what attachment you have, you can find your attachment here in our top level menu. Just scroll down to where you see these tabs. To look for your part, you can click the Parts tab and you'll see just the parts for that attachment popping up below for you to select. These checkboxes work the same way they do on the main catalog page. If you're not sure what the name of the part or the part number is for your attachment, click on the Downloads tab and then click on the Parts diagram. This diagram will show you each component for that attachment. They're all numbered, labeled with the part numbers and descriptions here for you. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions or if you can't find the part that you're looking for within our catalog, please reach out to customer service. Thanks and have a great day.